Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shoaib Education. Please subscribe my channel for education. Giraffe are the tallest animal on the planet. Giraffe love to live in dry climates. They do not drink much water. They have a very long neck. They love to eat leaves, herbs, and vines. They sleep only 5 to 30 minutes in one day. They have to bend their legs to reach the ground and drink water. They spend almost their lives in standing position. When born, they can stand up within 1 hour. Giraffe is the national animal of country of Tanzania.